Hello everyone, in this video self-assessment term 1 model paper 2025-26 general science paper 2 biological science NS class 10th question paper with answer discussed. This question paper download to telegram link on description. Follow the link, like and share and subscribe to channel. Let's start the paper with the key. Note: answer all question. Each question carries 1 mark. 6 cross 1 equal to 6 marks. Question number 1. Which part of the brain is responsible for maintaining posture and balance of the body? What is the answer? Cerebellum or hindbrain. Question number 2. What is the functional unit of the kidney? Answer become nephron. Question number 3. Expand the term DNA. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Identify types of the asexual reproduction shown in the given diagram. Answer is budding hydra diagram. Question number 5. Name the plant hormone that promote cell division. Answer cytokinin. What is the main role of villi in the small intestine? Answer accumulation of poisonous waste product in the body leading to death if not treated. Example dialysis. Section 2. Note: answer all the question. Each question carries 2 marks. Question number 7. Why it is important to prevent water loss in plants? Question number 8. Draw a simple flow chart showing the path of nerve impulse from receptor to effector in a reflex action. Question number 9. What are the roles of seminal vesicles and prostate gland in the human male reproductive system? Question number 10. Observe the pedigree chart given below and answer the following question. Is the trait dominant or recessive? Second, how many affected males are there in second generation? Now the third section, 5 cross 4 equal to 20 marks. Explain the process of the double circulation in the human heart. Question number 12 A. Draw a neat label diagram of the human male reproductive system. And the internal of the question, draw a neat label diagram of longitudinal section LS of a flower. Question number 13. Why are variation important for the survival of species? Give an example. Question number 14. Read the paragraph and answer the question. Which part of the brain is the main coordinating center? Second one, what are the main function of the forebrain? Question number 3. Name the 3 main part of the brain. How does the brain receive information from the body? Question number 15. How do you appreciate the role of ATP as the energy currency of the cell? Section 4. Each question carries 8 marks. Describe the process of digestion of food in the human alimentary canal. And the internal of the question, explain the various method of asexual reproduction in organism with example. 17th A. Describe the experiment. Prove that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis with a neat label diagram. Internal of the question, explain the role different hormones in the human female reproductive cycle. Now start to the answer. Section 1. First answer is a cerebellum or hindbrain. Second answer, nephron. Third one, DNA, expand from deoxyribonucleic acid. Fourth is a birding, is a hydra diagram. Question number 5, answer is a cytokinin. Villi, answer is a accumulation of poisonous waste product in the body leading to death if not treated. Example, dialysis. Question number 7th answer, importance of preventing water in the plant. To prevent wilting or maintain turgidity, to ensure continued photosynthesis. Water is a raw material. To conserve water, especially in dry condition, to avoid stress and maintain growth. Flow chart of the reflex arc, receptor, sensory neuron, spinal cord, relay neuron, motor neuron, effectors, muscles, gland. Question number 9, role of the seminal vesicles and prostate gland. Seminal vesicles secrete a fluid rich in fructose, calcium, and certain enzymes which provide nourishment to sperm and makes their transport easier. Prostate gland secrete an alkaline fluid that neutralize the acidity of the vaginal tract, protecting the sperm and aiding in the motility. Pedigree chart. First one is a recessive. The trait skip a generation or appear in offspring of unaffected parents. Second one is a 2, count of the shaded square in the second generation. Question number 11, double circulation in human heart. Definition, blood pass through the heart twice in one complete cycle, once for oxygenation and once for distribution. Component, pulmonary circulation, blood from the right ventricle goes to the lungs for oxygenation, then turns to the left atrium. Systematic circulation, oxygenated blood from the left ventricle is pumped to all body parts, then oxygenated blood return to the right atrium. Significance, ensure complete separation of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, leading to efficient oxygen supply to the body. Human male reproductive system, neat and clear diagram with a 6-8 label. Expected label is a testis, scrotum, vas differences, epididymis, urethra, seminal vesicles, prostate gland, bladder, penis. And the internal of the questions, sepal, petal, stamen, anther, filament, pistil, carpel, stigma, style, ovary, ovules, function of the dendrite. Receive nerve impulse stimuli from the other neuron or sensory receptor and transmit them towards the body cell. Question number 13, importance the variation of survival. Definition of variation, difference in characteristics among individual of the same species. Importance, variance allow some individual adopt better to change in the environment, climate change, disease, food scarcity. Survival advantage, if population has variation, some individuals are more likely to survive and reproduce in change condition, thus ensuring the survival of the species. Example, if a bacterial population is exposed to an antibiotic, individual with variation that make them resistant will survive and multiply, leading to an antibiotic resistance population. Paragraph analysis. First one is answer is the brain. Second, thinking, memory and voluntary action. Third one is a forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Fourth answer is the it receives information through sensory neuron, nerves from various receptors in the body. appreciation of ATP as energy currency role. ATP adenosine triphosphate is the immediate source of energy for most cellular activities. It, it stores energy released during respiration mechanism. When energy is required, ATP breakdown into ADP, adenosine diphosphate, and inorganic phosphate, releasing a specific amount of energy. Appreciation it like a rechargeable battery storing and releasing energy efficiency. It ensures that energy is available preciously where and when needed, powering process like muscles construction, protein synthesis, nerve impulse transmissions, etc. Its universal nature makes in the common energy currency for the all life forms. Next, internal of the question of the 16th A, digestion of food in human alimentary canal, mouth, mechanism digestion, chewing and chemical digestion, slavery, amylase, Petillion, starch digestion to maltose, stomach, gastric gland, secrete gastric juice, HCl, pepsin, mucus, HCl kills bacteria, create acidic medium, pepsin, digest protein to the peptones, mucus protect stomach lining, curing of foods, small intestine receive bile from liver for fat, emasculation receive pancreatic juice from pancreas containing amylase, trypsin, lipase and carbohydrate, protein and fats digestion. Essential was secrete intestinal juice for final digestion into glucose, amino acid, fatty acid and glycerol. Absorption of nutrients by villi, large intestine, absorption of water and formation feces, anus, egations of the feces. And this one is the question number 16th. Question number 17th A. Experiment to prove CO2 is essential for photosynthesis aim to show that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis material. 2 healthy potted plant, 2 bell jars, 2 watch glasses, KOH potassium hydroxide solution, Vaseline alcohol iodine solution. Procedure de-starch both plant by keeping them in darkness for 2 to 3 days. Place one plant under a bell jar with a watch glass containing KOH. Place the other plant B under the bell jar without KOH. Seal the bottom of the both bell jar to prevent outside air entry using Vaseline. Keep both the setup in sunlight 4 to 6 hours. Plug a leaf each plant and perform the starch test. Boil in alcohol then iodine solution. Observation: leaf from a plant A without CO2, no blue black color, no starch. Leaf from plant B with CO2 turns blue black, starch present. CO2 is essential for photosynthesis. And the role of hormone in human reproductive cycle: follicle stimulating hormone FSH secrete pituitary gland, stimulates the development and ovarian follicles and estrogen production. Luteinizing hormone secreted the pituitary gland, triggers ovulation release of eggs and stimulate the formation of corpus luteum and progesterone production. Estrogen secreted developing follicles cause a thickening the uterine production. Progesterone secreted corpus luteum maintain the uterine lining. The pregnancy inhibits ovulation and the prevent uterine contraction. Interactions: these hormones is interact in a complex feedback, regulating the menstruation cycle and prevent the ureters for pregnancy. This is a paper is a very important for the examination. Thanks to watch, like and share and subscribe to Manish sir YouTube channel. Thank you so much.